In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple task manager in Notion. We're going to build a clean system that helps you capture your tasks, organize them clearly, and focus on what actually needs your attention. The goal here is not to create something overly complicated. It's to make a setup you'll genuinely want to use every day. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page for your task manager. Give the page a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. This page will act as your main workspace, so think of it as the home base for everything related to your tasks. Keeping all of this in one dedicated space makes it much easier to stay organized and avoid scattered to-do lists. Once the page is ready, add a database that will store all of your tasks in one place. This is the core of the system. Instead of writing tasks as loose notes, a database gives you structure and makes it possible to sort, filter, and view your work in different ways. Each task becomes its own entry, which means your list can grow without becoming messy or hard to manage. Next, add the fields you'll need to track your tasks properly. Create fields for status, due date, priority, and category. The status field helps you see where each task stands, whether it hasn't been started yet, is in progress, or has been completed. The due date keeps deadlines visible so nothing important slips past you. Priority helps you separate urgent work from less important items, and category gives you a simple way to group tasks by area, such as work, personal, or study. These fields give your task list context, which makes it much more useful than a basic checklist. After that, create different views for today, upcoming, overdue, and completed. Views allow you to look at the same database from different angles without duplicating anything. For example, a today view helps you focus on what needs attention right now, while upcoming shows what's ahead. Overdue makes it easy to catch missed deadlines, and completed gives you a record of what you've already finished, which can also be motivating. Now apply filters so each view only shows what matters in that moment. This keeps your workspace from feeling cluttered and helps you stay focused. When you only see the tasks relevant to today or the week ahead, it becomes much easier to decide what to do next. As you work through your tasks, make sure to update the status of each item. This small habit keeps your system accurate and prevents confusion later. Finally, review your task list daily or weekly. Regular review helps you stay on top of deadlines, clean up outdated items, and make sure your task manager continues to support your workflow in a practical way.